The perfect road is whatever road it is that you haven't driven on yet. When I say take the car, it's just take that tool, right? Take that tool and get out there and explore the world around you. I've always said, and it's kind of macabre, but if you're not exploring, you might as well be dead. I think it's the human nature in us, it's the nomad in us that was, it's the foundation core of humanity, is to explore. There's guys out doing the moon, and Kennedy always said, why are we doing this? And it's because we can. We have to get out there and explore, whether it's the moon or the deepest recesses of the ocean. We have to do it. Not everybody can be an astronaut or a deep sea diver or whatever it is, but we can all get out there and explore in our own way. And there's nothing better for the average person to be able to do that than a car. There are a lot of special places to drive in the country. I mean, the West Coast has its thing. The East Coast has its thing. The South has its thing. You've got Texas rallies. You've got the Ozarks. You've got all the mountains out west and Utah where it's totally empty. The Mississippi River Valley is just as special as anywhere else. It's what we have. It's home.